In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export code from Google AI Studio. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go over to aistudio.google.com and then log into your account. Now once from here, it should link something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to where it says apps over here, and then from here you'll need to find the specific app that you want to export the code from. From here, let's just choose Aura AI Workspace. Then from here you'll need to click on it. And from here, it should bring something like this, where you can see a preview of everything that we have coded. And from here, you'll need to show code editor over here. And from here, over on the right hand side, you will be able to see download as zip file. Now from here, a new download button will appear where it will be downloaded as a zip file. And from here, it should bring something like this. And now I can just extract it to a specific folder and then transfer it over to VS Code or any other coding software there is. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!